I'm a money magnet, draped in designer, I stay high fashion. Chris, you bougie, know I'm high maintenance.
What's up with it, y'all? It's Big Boss coming back with another before you buy. This fragrance right here, we have Khamrah, but this is Qahwa, right? This is a flanker of Khamrah, the original. These two are different. You could tell by the different color of the juices. I'm gonna be honest. This smells just like Khamrah, just with a coffee note. That's it. Nothing different. They didn't put a lot of difference in here. They said we're gonna take the same juice of Khamrah and add some coffee. And you can tell because the fragrance is a little darker. Now let me tell you, man, that coffee note that they added inside this fragrance makes this fragrance smell better than the original, right? I get more compliments with the coffee version, okay? And it's so funny because the Qahwa stands for coffee, right? It's translated, it says coffee. Now, they cost the same price. I'm not gonna make this before you buy too long. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in the description this review if you want more like in-depth on how to smell, and just add coffee with that. I'll also tag it up here so y'all can click that and watch this review. But Khamrah coffee smells just like the original, but with a coffee note. And this gets you more compliments. It lasts the same amount of time, costs around the same price. And in my opinion, if I was gonna tell y'all which one to buy between this one and this one, I say get the coffee. I like that. I like that little tang of coffee inside this fragrance more than this. That is what makes Khamrah a little different, because we know this is a clone of Angel Share, but because they added some coffee in here, this is finally its own original fragrance. This is the fragrance you want to go buy. I'm Big Boss, and if you like this review, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm out.